last year was the most humbling, heartwarming thing I've ever done in my life. You know, it still seems like a dream. It's still not really sunk in, and the fact that we're here a year later. I mean, like, people think, wow, that's crazy, you know, it must have gone to your head a bit. And I said, no, it's gone in here.
Last year was incredible. I mean, it was just so full of love and joy and passion, and the audience were fantastic.
With Craig Shackleton, Leeds events officer, when he and I put this together, we said, we're in this for the long haul. You can't do something like this once.
It's something that brings two contrasting institutions together, which have been in Leeds for a long time, and it's just a celebration of the city, really.
The best thing about it is dance music has a structure, has like a classical structure in it, and then when you put the music together like it is here and it gels, it's like it's otherworldly. It's like, wow.
What we try to do with these shows is we take the original versions and we recreate those faithfully, but we try and plus it, we try and add something else to it to make it more epic, just grander than it would have been in the first place.
It's one of the highlights of our year. It means that we get to do what we do on stage every day all through the year of playing as a symphony orchestra, but all of a sudden we're joined by thousands of people and amazing artists in this kind of music that we don't normally play. It's just got so much energy to it. You can just feel the excitement as soon as you start rehearsing.
The way this one has worked, this has been about, I mean, we're looking at here, this is 3,500 bars of full orchestral music. So it's taken a while. I mean, to try and make sure you've captured, you know, something special for every title. You can't do things to get in the way. The vocalists, you want to give everybody in the orchestra a moment. So it's challenging, but it's a challenge we'd love to rise to. It's probably been about 12 weeks of work on and off, but the result, as you're going to hear, is just fantastic.
Events like this really help to bring a new audience to us, and the people of Leeds are so great at supporting stuff like this. It's absolutely fantastic.
It's probably the biggest crowd that we'll play to in one go all year round. And it's certainly the most visceral crowd that we will get. The energy that you get from 2,500, 3,000 people roaring at you to keep on playing, going mad.
I actually love this better than performing to a CD. I get to do a little bit more, I get to change it around a little bit. I get to make it, you know, it comes alive more, you know? It's like giving birth all over again when you do it with an orchestra.
It's such an amazing honour to play with Opera North, with Back to Basics, Leeds City Council, you know, amazing set of people. I think it's fantastic, a celebration.
The energy and the power, just fantastic, fantastic, feel blessed.
You've got such prestige people working here, you know, you just got to look around and the production here is just immense.
It's goosebumps upon goosebumps at all times. It's just euphoric. To sing alongside it, to be in that environment, it's just inspiring. Why don't you take her hand, come away, come out of the blues. For everything you give, so will I give something to you, yeah. I'll take you down, deep down where the love lives. Yeah. Follow me down, deep down where the love lives.
It's an incredible honour for us to play Leeds, to do it in our hometown. For us tonight, it's a really special moment.
We write our best stuff in Leeds. It's really nice to have genres mixing like this, because as due to our saying, we've always tried to mix genres. So having dance music played by in a kind of classical setting is brilliant because it reinvents both genres for both sets of audiences.
Let's see those hands, Leeds. Everybody,